Our potatoes have come to a boil and are just about tender, and our butter has melted into our cream and is just starting to foam up. So we're going to go ahead and prepare our cheddar. So we'll slice a bit of that off, shred it up, and then we'll come back and turn the heat off both our front and back burners. We'll drain our potatoes and put them straight back into our pot. And then we'll half mash our potatoes. We'll add about a teaspoon of salt and pepper over the top. We'll add our cream and butter. And then we will mash our potatoes the rest of the way. They should be nice and creamy. We'll then go back to our buttered baking dish, and we'll scoop out our potatoes into our casserole dish. And then we'll top it with our cheddar. And we're going to put this in the oven for between 5 and 10 minutes, or until the cheese is nice and bubbly.